Hello guys, this is a tutorial on how to remove your tacho speedometer in Smart 450. First, the steering wheel. You have a T30 Torx. Undo it and take the steering wheel straight out. Then you have this plastic underneath. Okay, it has 4 bolts here, 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 and here. Undo them, also with Torx. It is number 9. Undo it, remove the bottom plastic, and then you will be able to get to the tacho. Then on the back side you have 2 cables. Undo this one, here is and this one. Click this and remove that. Remove both connectors. This one removes. Sorry. You press this. You press this, then you can move this lever. And just move the lever and the connector goes out. Here it is. And then do with your tacho whatever you want.